Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Paramount Plus error code 111. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are going to be 3 ways for you to actually fix this issue. So one of those ways is via accessing your browser. Now at the top right of the screen, go ahead and click on the 3-dotted icon here, and from here you need to go to settings. Now by the way, I'm using Google Chrome here, so if you have a different browser, the steps might be different, but the general ideas are going to be the same thing. Now in this case, we need to first clear our cache. Now to do that, we need to go ahead and go to our section here that says privacy and security, and from here just click on the clear browsing data. Now in this case, in the clear browsing data option, I would suggest you to make sure that you click on the cache images and files, cookies and other site data, as well as browsing history. Now sometimes having a lot on your browsing history, your cache images and your site data here can actually cause problems for your Paramount Plus account or while you're using it. In this case, just click on clear data, and from then on, see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you can do here is you need to go to the About Chrome section and make sure that you're using the most updated version of your browser. Now, from here on, just restart your browser and see if that solves the issue. Now, if not, then you might need to change a few things in here as well. Now, sometimes having a lot of extensions, especially ad blockers, can actually affect Paramount Plus. In this case, at the top right of the screen, go ahead and click on extensions, and from here click on manage extensions. Now if you have any ongoing ad blockers, make sure to disable those extensions that has ad blockers. In this case, in most cases, could actually affect Paramount Plus. Now in this case, if you don't have that, you need to go to your settings again. At the top right, go ahead and click on 3-dotted button here, and from here go ahead and click on settings. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to go to privacy and security, click on the option that says site settings, and from here what we need to do is we need to basically change a few things here. In this case, what you need to do is you need to look for ads. So I would suggest you to go to additional content settings here, scroll down a bit until you see ads. Now sometimes it's going to be labeled as intrusive ads, so in this case it would look like this one. Go ahead and click on this one, and from here what we need to do is you need to go ahead and choose the option here that says any site you visit can show any ads to you. Now you might want to try this one, and from here what you need to do, and you just need to restart your browser and see if that solves the issue. In this case, the last thing that you could do here is just basically restarting your device. So if you're using your computer, make sure to restart your computer and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.